Ever wondered how to write an effective speech for your GCSE English Language exam? Let's dive into the art of speech writing. At its core, a speech is a form of communication designed to influence, inform, or entertain an audience. It's not just about the words you use, but how you use them. The structure of your speech is crucial. It's the skeleton that holds your words and ideas together. Knowing how to structure your speech is the first step towards acing your GCSE English Language exam. Now let's dive into the structure of a speech. It includes an attention statement, introduction, body conclusion, and residual message. The attention statement, my friends, is your opening gambit, your first punch. It's designed to hook your audience and reel them in. Picture a crowd chanting at a rally. That's your attention statement. It could be a powerful question, a shocking fact, or a bold statement. Then we have the introduction. This is where you set the scene, introduce your topic, and give your audience a taste of what's to come. Imagine you're writing a menu for a mouth-watering meal. That's your introduction. Next up is the body of your speech. This is your main course. Here, you'll present your arguments, your evidence, and your ideas. Think of it as a three-course meal: starter, main, and dessert. Each course should be distinct, yet they all need to work together to form a cohesive whole. Afterwards, we move to the conclusion. This is where you wrap things up, summarize your points, and leave your audience with something to think about. It's the final flourish, the cherry on top of your speech sundae. Finally, we have the residual message. This is the one thing you want your audience to remember after they've finished listening to your speech. It's your encore, your final bow. Make it memorable, make it impactful. Remember, each part of your speech plays a crucial role in engaging your audience and getting your message across effectively. Having a well-structured speech is great, but how can you make it more engaging and persuasive? Well, let's dive into the art of adding flavor to your speech. This is where sentence starters, persuasive sentences, and impact words come into play. Consider sentence starters as the launching pad for your ideas. They set the tone and direction. For example, imagine a world where, or let's consider the fact that. These starters draw your listeners in, making them eager to hear what comes next. Moving on to persuasive sentences, these are your power players. They're designed to convince and compel. A persuasive sentence might be, without change, we risk losing everything we hold dear. Lastly, let's talk about impact words. These are words that carry weight, that evoke emotion. Words like revolutionary, groundbreaking, or unprecedented. They grab attention and add a punch of drama to your points. Adding these elements to your speech will not only capture your audience's attention, but also persuade them to see things from your perspective. Now that you have all the tools you need to write an effective speech, it's time to put them into practice. Let's recap what we've covered. We started with a clear understanding of what a speech is. We moved on to structuring your speech, emphasizing the importance of an attention-grabbing statement, a compelling introduction, a well-developed body, a strong conclusion, and a powerful residual message. We then delved into the art of adding flavor to your speech. Remember those sentence starters, persuasive sentences, and impactful words? They are your secret weapons to make your speech more professional and persuasive. You're now ready to craft a speech that not only meets the GCSE English Language exam requirements, but also leaves a lasting impression. Your words have power, use them wisely. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content like this.